How to add image hover effect to Wix. So in order to add an hover effect to Wix, let's head over and choose in here this image first. So just choosing here the image that you want to add a hover effect into. Then after that, once you have selected it, click onto this open inspector icon that you can see right here under upper right corner. Once it's open, click onto this lightning icon which redirects us to the animations and effects. From in there, you can find in here this hover. So expand that and click onto this add. Now in here, you can choose in here what kind of hover effect you want. For example, let's choose in here this expand animation. And you should be able to see in here a preview of what that will look like from this. So if you're satisfied with this particular hover effect, just head over and click on publish option right here in order to publish this change into your actual website. So that's how you add an image over animation or effect to Wix. Hope we helped.